Now we're going to take a look and see how simple it is to operate this little Knoll gadget. First, just a matter of you press the on button until the lights alternate red and blue, and that means it's in the pairing mode. So now watch the iPad, it should discover it shortly. There it is. So we just click on it to pair it. Here they are, paired and connected. Blue light is on the little Bluetooth receiver, so we're ready for business. So we just go to the music player, iTunes, and start. See, Strawberry Fields Forever would be nice.
Let me take you down.
Pretty simple, isn't it? Didn't take long. Ready to go.